Okay, let's start question number 12 of 6.3. Okay. Sides AB and BC and median AD. So this side AB, that is, and then BC is this, the downside, and then median. So what do you understand by median first? Let's get the concept of median first. Now, median literally means, okay, before we start median, do you know what is midpoint? If I draw a triangle, okay, suppose this is the midpoint of if xyz, and this M is the midpoint of xz, let's say. Okay, if xz is the xz line is midpoint, means xz line is 10 centimeter, the whole thing xz, then this will be 5, this will be 5. So midpoint means literally the middle point. Okay, so if this is the midpoint, and if I draw a line from the opposite vertex, that is y, to the midpoint, then this line is called a median. So median literally means the line which is joined from the vertex to the midpoint of the other side of the triangle. Okay, so in this case they're saying AD is the median, so it literally means that D is the midpoint of BC, and then from A we're joining D. So they're saying median AD. So AD, the median, which is the line joining the midpoint of B and C, right? So AB, BC, AD of a triangle ABC is respectively proportional to sides PQ. So AB is proportional to PQ. Respectively means that thing only. The first thing and the first thing is matching. So AB is proportional to AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. It consider proportional means. So when they divide, you get the same result, right? So given in the question is what? Given AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD, which is the median, by PM. It's already given in the question. Now all we have to do is show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. They never said it's similar, right? So we have to somehow show that it is similar. So what we can do is we have to make use of the fact that they gave us the median of the distinct. So median means joining of midpoints. So if this is the midpoint of BC, we know that this and this will be equal. If M is the midpoint of QR, we know that this and this will be equal. That doesn't mean that this and this is equal, okay? It just means that this and this is equal, this and this is equal. So what can we do? We have to show that triangle ABC, the big triangle, and PQR, the big triangle, is equal, right? So we have AB by PQ. So AB by PQ is equal to BC. Now BC, we can do something about it because BC is here, and then it's divided. If we can divide it into two equal parts by QR, and QR is here, we can divide QR also into two equal parts. So which means it has to do something with this second term, because if you look at the third one, AD, we cannot do anything here. PM, we cannot do anything here, but this we can somehow manage to do something now. So what I'm going to do is AB by PQ equal to, instead of writing BC, I'm going to be writing 2 times BD, because I'm quite sure most of you have already got it, but if BC, and here's D, if BC is 8 centimeter, then this will be 4 centimeter and this will be 4 centimeter. So I can say that double of BD will be BC. So I can write BC as 2 times BD, obviously, because this and this is same. You can literally, because BD is equal to DC, we can write BC as BD plus BD, right? So it will become 2 times BD only. So it's the same thing as this, okay? Exactly the same we can do it for this also. QR, I can write 2 times QM. Just make sure that since I'm taking BD, which is this side of the triangle, you have to take QM, this side of the triangle, okay? Equal to these things, we're going to write the same, okay? And then the reason for writing this is BC D and M are midpoints of BC and QR respectively. Okay, now from here I can cut 2 and 2, which leaves us with what? Therefore AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. So what can we say now? This is a rough section, okay? You don't have to draw this. We just showed that AB by PQ, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. So which means we just showed that these two triangles is similar to each other. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. By what property? Side similarity. It's not that the sides are equal, it means all three sides are in ratio. So we just showed that the smaller triangle, this smaller triangle and this smaller triangle is similar, but we were asked to show the bigger triangle and bigger triangle, right? So, but by showing that the smaller triangles are similar, we have got an advantage, because if these two are similar, we know that all the angles are same, right? Which means even angle B will be equal to, hence angle B will be equal to angle Q. These two will be equal, these two will be equal, these two will be equal, but we need this right now, not those two. Because angle, if you say angle A, it's not complete A, it's just half of A, right? Not even half, we don't know. And even if I say Q, if I say P, it's not the whole entire P, it's just this way, so we don't need that. But angle B and angle Q is complete angle, so we can take this, okay? Angle B equal to angle Q. The reason is triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. Now let's take a look at the bigger triangle now. In triangle ABC, because we needed to prove ABC and PQR, right? And triangle PQR, AB. Now look at the big triangle, okay? Forget about the small triangle, just look at the big triangles. ABC and PQ. Don't draw the red part. Just look at the big angle. It's already given in the question that AB by PQ equal to, I hope everything is coming out in the screen. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. It's already given here, right? So BC by QR, which is given. So this by this equal to this by this. And then we already showed that angle B equal to angle Q. So which means what? Side, angle, side, right? And angle B equal to angle Q. We can keep this equation 1, just write from 1. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to, not similar to N, okay? Is similar to triangle PQR by what? SAS similarity, na? So that is it for that question. Let's do number 13. So for number 13, they have not given the diagram, so we'll have to draw the diagram, okay? They're saying D is a point on side BC of a triangle. So ABC. So let's draw a triangle A, B, and C first. ABC. A, B, C. So D is a point on BC. So D is a point on BC, any point, okay? Triangle ABC such that angle ADC. So we have to join A and D, which means angle ADC. ADC is this one is equal to angle BAC, whereas BAC is equal to this whole thing. So this whole thing is equal to this thing. This thing. So what do we have to show? We have to show that CA square equal to CB into CD. So as soon as I saw this, I can see that there's a CA square, which literally means it's 2 times CA. So we're gonna take, and before we go into that also further, what we can do is we can look at this triangle and see what two triangles can be proved similar, right? So if we look properly, what you will see is that here in this triangle and this triangle, let's just write it separately. ABC, I'll just draw ABC first, okay? The big triangle, ABC. Angle A is equal to angle D they have given us. So I'm going to draw this triangle, the smaller one, according to what they gave us. But I'm going to write the equal as like angle A or angle D equal as well. So A upar likhije to D bhi upar likhije. So A and D is on top because they are equal. Now, what other angle is equal? If you look closely, it's angle C, because here also C is included, and in the big angle also C is included. So since C is here, I'm going to write C. So in this triangle, I've written D, I've written C. What is left? A, right? So once we do that, C and C is equal, we can show that these two is similar. So let's do that first, and then we can think of what we can do. Okay, in triangle ABC and triangle DAC, ABC and DAC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, which is given in the question, right? And then I wrote ADC already, so now I have to write C. So angle DCA equal to angle ACB, which is common. Or you can write angle C equal to angle C also. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. By what property? By angle-angle similarity. Now that we proved that these two is similar, see, I've already told you, whenever, as soon as I saw this, I can see that it's a CA square. So immediately in my head, what I'm thinking is, I should find CA, two sides of CA. So one is here, AC or CA. So if I'm taking this side, I have to automatically take this side also, no matter what, okay? Because this side and this side, they're similar. Now I have to find another CA. So in this, I've already taken the CA. So here I'm trying to find CA, which is on the bottom. So I have to take this, which means automatically I have to take this. So hence AC by DC equal to what? BC by AC. Okay, AC by DC equals BC by AC. Now if you cross multiply, what will happen is this will come up, it will multiply with this. BC into this will go up, it will multiply with this. But AC into AC is AC square equal to BC into DC, or CB into CD, same thing. So proved. Got it? Okay, let's do one last question for this video. That is question number 16. The reason why I skipped 14 and 15 is because 14 is a very long question, so it will need another complete video for that, and 14 is actually 15 is actually very extremely short. But then since 14 is long, I'll just attach that, because if I attach 14 and 16 here, it will be too long. Okay, question number 16. If AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR. So let's draw two triangles. ABC. Let's just draw here. Let's draw ABC and PQR such that AD is the median, middle point of B and C. So AD is the median, this C it is there, and then PM is the median. So AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to PQR. So they've already given us that triangle ABC is similar to PQR. So given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So if they're similar, we can do a lot of things, starting with angles, right? So we have to show AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. So everything is here. AB by PQ equal to AD. This triangle, this part, left side of the triangle, right? So we'll try to prove that this and this is congruent. Okay. So let's start with see. Therefore, since these two is similar, we can say angle B equal to angle Q. Let's give this equation 1. Okay. Since given triangle ABC is similar to this, we can say this is this. And also, since these two is similar, the big triangles, AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR, right? So now this thing, what we can write is AB by PQ equal to, remember I told you about median, right? So median is the midpoint of BC. So instead of BC, last thing, like how we did, I can write 2 times BD, and instead of QR, I can write 2 times QM. Since D and M are the midpoints of BC and QR, right? Or you can write, since AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR, doesn't matter, same thing. So we can cut the 2 and 2. Therefore, AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. So let's make this as equation 2 from equation 1 and 2. What did we do in 1? We showed that angle. I'll just draw a rough figure here, okay? You don't have to do this, okay? The right part. So PQM ABD, if I draw here, I just showed you that AB by PQ equal to BD by QM, and then previously we showed that angle B and Q is same. So by SAS, side angle side, right? So from 1 and 2, triangle ABC, not BC, ABD, sorry, this is D, okay? ABD is similar to triangle PQM by side angle side similarity. So if these two is similar, then we can literally write, hence by similar triangle property, we can say that AB by PQ should also be equal to AD by PM. Because these two is similar, we just proved that these two is similar. So I can, now that these two is similar, I can literally say this by this equal to this by this also, since it's similar. So proved. Okay.